Buenos dias. Today is the 6th of September, and you're looking at Amazon River that Jeff Bezos thinks he owns, but nobody knows Jeff Bezos here. I'm in Colombia on the banks of the Amazon River. I'm taking a tour from a place called Leticia, where I landed, to a place called Puerto Nariño, and which is a 2-hour bus trip, and all the tourist crap. And we are stopped here at one of their Amazonian tribal village, so to speak, and they have this dance hall, and they have this lousy music and so-called traditional dancing with the kids, and asking for tourists to participate. So you know my opinion. So, and that's one of those boats that we came on, and we'll be leaving in about another half an hour, I guess. But this is hardly an Amazonian tribal village, because they have satellite TV dishes, direct TV as a matter of fact, and they have all these tourist crap to be sold or to be bought, and I assure them they must produce a lot of kids here, because there are lots of kids. I guess there is nothing else to do here, so, and a whole bunch of kids. So there is a direct TV dish. So hasta luego.